Good morning, children. Today we are learning worksheet number 2 in our workbook part. Worksheet number 2, that is the lotus eaters. It means the people, those who love to eat lotus. Here, while returning home after the battle of Troy, the Greek hero Odysseus and his men stopped by the land of the lotus eaters. On that island lived men and women who had eaten the honey, sweet fruit of the lotus flower. This fruit had a magical effect and it made them forget all their worries and duties. They sat lazily on the island, dreaming all day long. So here, this is an ancient story, means an old story. So what they are doing here, the people are returning back to their place, that is Greek. The man who is very great, they named him it as Greek hero. So his name is Odysseus. So they stopped at a place. Here you can see they stopped at a place. There is it is called the land of lotus eaters. This place is known as the land of lotus eaters. So what happened there? On that island is a place which is covered with all the sides with water. A piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides is known as island. So there lived some people. They love to eat honey, sweet fruit of lotus flower. So it's nothing but they will eat the flower of lotus. And this fruit had some magical powers. If those who eat that, they will forget all their worries. Means they will not remember anything about their life. They will forget not only the worries, they will forget everything, as if they came here for amusement, just for enjoyment. They will forget all their things just for a moment. And they will sit lazily. With laziness, they will be sitting on the island. Just they will be thinking of dreaming themselves. Just for the small and silly reasons, they will be dreaming that they want to do this, that, and simply it seems that they are in a dream and they will get sleep the whole day. Odysseus and 3 of his men got down from the ship to find out more about the land. The lotus eaters were friendly and offered them their fruit. Odysseus was clever and refused the fruit, but his friends ate eagerly and soon began to feel sleepy. Gradually, they stopped caring about their families and homes and started wishing that they could stay back on that island. So see here what has happened. As I said that the people feel lazy and they'll forget everything. When Odysseus and his men stopped at that place, the people, those who were living at that land, were very friendly and they offered the people, those who came with this Greek hero, they all ate that fruit. But Odysseus did not accept it. He refused it. He did not agree, it means. And he did not eat that. Then he noticed that his friends ate it already and they are feeling sleepy. Gradually means slowly, step by step. So slowly they are forgetting everything about their families, their homes, so that they are going back to their homes. In olden days, these ships used to travel for months. As we have the technology nowadays, we can travel within minutes or within hours. But in those days, the people used to travel by the ships. So it takes sometimes months or sometimes years. So they were thinking that they could stay back. They were wishing. They are thinking that no need to go home, no need to care about their families and all. They can stay back on the island. This was the feeling of the people or the men, those who came with Odysseus. Odysseus realized the danger of this and dragged his men back to the ship. They were unwilling and wept on the way. Once they were on board, Odysseus quickly sailed away. Never again would he come near that strange land. So what has happened? Odysseus has seen that the people were not interested to come back to their ship, to go back to their country. Odysseus started dragging them. He started pulling them from their place and he had taken them back to the ship. And they were weeping. Wept is the past tense of weep, that is crying. They were crying that they don't want to come. Once they all came onto the ship, Odysseus sailed away very quickly and he thought that he should not come again that strange land. Because if they come again, the people won't go back to their homes, as their families, their children are waiting for them. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.